Cuisine For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland will show you how to make a very colorful and eye-catching Kung Pao Chicken. Despite being very popular in America and Panda Express, unlike General Tso chicken, which you can check out our recipe in this video right here, Kung Pao Chicken originates from Szechuan region of China. This dish is a work of art in Szechuan cuisine because it incorporates many flavors and colors together. So today, we're going to show you how to recreate your own Kung Pao masterpiece using simple ingredients, very accessible outside of China. Now what are you waiting for? Let's get cooking! We'll first prepare the chicken because the chicken is more important than any veggies. Debone and marinate 450 grams of chicken thigh in 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give your chicken a mix and set it aside for the marination to do its magic. Next up, we'll do the veggie prep. Cube 220 grams of bell pepper, any color of your choice, into bite-sized pieces. Mince 6 cloves of garlic. We know it sounds like a lot of garlic, but garlic is awesome and it guards off any Chinese vampire in your kitchen. Also, mince 10 grams of ginger. Cut 5 of your biggest, baddest, and spiciest chilies into big chunks. If you can't handle spice very well, then toughen up. Or you can reduce the spice level to your liking. But remember, if doing so, you will be judged. Okay, your veggie prep is done. Let's move on to preparing the sauce. In a bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of the Asian Magic, or MSG, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce, and 2 tablespoons of water. If you don't have dark or light soy sauce, don't be lazy. Go to your local Asian store and get them. Your stores do have the soy sauce. But if you tried all venues and can't find them, then you can just use regular soy sauce, but be warned, the color and the depth of flavor of the sauce will be affected. Then it's time to fire up the wok. On medium-high heat with about 1 tablespoon of oil, stir-fry your marinated chicken for 3 minutes. Once the chicken is browned, remove it from the heat and set aside. In the same wok with the oil from the chicken, add the cut chilies, ginger, and garlic. Sauté them on medium-high heat for about 30 seconds, then add the rest of your veggies. Season with a teaspoon of broth mix and pepper. Keep them on medium-high heat and stir-fry for about 3 minutes. Then pour your sauce into the pan and bring it to a boil. Don't stop stirring in the meantime. Once your sauce has boiled, add a tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. As your sauce begins to thicken, add chicken back into the wok. With even hand, keep stirring and mixing everything for about 2 minutes until the chicken is thoroughly coated and is cooked through. Finally, sprinkle in your green onion and give it a drizzle of sesame oil. At this point, for an even more Szechuan flavor, you can add some roasted peanut, but we're making a nut-allergy-friendly version, so we'll skip that part. Toss well and continue to cook for another minute to infuse all the flavors together. And there you have it, your very own homemade Kung Pao chicken in less time than it takes to get your Chinese food delivered. And it tastes better than the takeout stuff too. So if you like our quick, easy and tasty Kung Pao chicken recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more recipes for you to enjoy. Now, all that's left is, and with that, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in!